Since 1972, Raychem has been quietly going about its business. Mile after mile of our heating cables have been installed, under floors, on pipelines, within buildings, largely unnoticed until now. After all these years, it's time to get noticed. Although it's often out of sight, the impact of our unique self-regulating cable is there for everyone to see. By automatically adjusting the output of its thermal core as the temperature around it changes, it is making life flow smoothly around the world. It gives people warmth and comfort in their homes, and makes sure buildings are safely ice-free. Whether sports stadiums or schools, or even national monuments, it keeps production going by regulating the temperature and flow of business-critical fluids, from chemicals and hydrocarbons to pharmaceutical and food ingredients. It keeps airports, trains and metros running on time, whatever the weather. It keeps data centers humming, so our internet connections keep working, and it keeps the energy companies running. And as the world becomes more electrified, and those electrical networks and industrial systems need protection, our heating cables will continue to play a key role. And even if most people don't see it, we will be in there somewhere, making life flow smoothly for years to come.